Hello guys, welcome back to the Nifty City channel. Thank you guys once again for tuning in. Thank you for supporting. जो कर रहे हैं support, thank you so much. आज का वीडियो एकदम short रखने वाला है. It's going to be very short and sweet. So we're only going to discuss Nifty analysis. काफी टाइम से मुझे लग रहा है वीडियोस थोड़े लंबे हो रहे हैं. I've been trying to uh, give as much information as possible, but average view time कम ही हो रहा है. So अभी इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो देन लेट्स कीप इट शॉर्ट. पॉइंट मुद्दे पे आते हैं डायरेक्टली. निफ्टी का डेली चार्ट खुला हुआ है. सो नाउ एज यू नो वी हैड गिवन 15,900 ब्रेकडाउन पे गुड सपोर्ट. दैट वाज लास्ट टू लास्ट वीक. देन लास्ट वीक वी हैड स्पोकन अबाउट 16,500 का कॉल. दैट वाज आल्सो अचीव्ड. दैट वाज द लास्ट संडेज यूट्यूब वीडियो. यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट. उसके ऊपर का ही काम हुआ है. So उसके ऊपर also we had said this was the zone we had given 16,761 to 824. Once the 16,500 cross होता है. Anyways वो cross हो गया. Exact I won't say कि 16,761 touch हुआ है. 16,720 के आसपास market has made a high in the recent swing. So now what next? तो पहले तो मैं Epic pen खोल लेता हूँ. So we have 2-3 probable scenarios, okay, that can happen. So we're going to discuss the 2-3 probable scenarios because obviously we are not someone who knows everything. Market हमारे view के हिसाब से नहीं चलेगा. तो market जैसे चलेगा वैसे हम चलेंगे. So 2-3 view है market के बारे में. तो वो 2-3 view and I will tell you my personal bias कि मेरा personal bias क्या है, right? So now as you guys can see एक लो बनाया था हमने. फैंटास्टिक एक रैली किया है. द गुड पार्ट अबाउट दिस रैली इज कि हमने टाइम टू टाइम हमने रिट्रेसमेंट लिया है. इट इज नॉट बीन अ सिंगुलर अप मूव. ओके, तो जगह जगह पे हमने अच्छा खासा सीमेंट भरा है एंड वो पॉइंट्स पे हमको सपोर्ट लेना चाहिए. नाउ एज यू गाइस नो वी हैव क्रॉस द 200 EMA. ठीक है, 200 EMA के ऊपर सस्टेन किया है हमने. So now going ahead, what are the 2-3 options? So पहले तो I'll discuss what my bias is. My bias is right now, forget about the news, the results. आ रहा है Reliance का result ठीक था, ऐसे ऐसे अच्छा था. Forget all of that. Just from a pure perspective, technical perspective के हिसाब से we'll discuss. So now what I feel is, if we have a significant gap down on Monday, okay, we fall below, we start trading below 16,615. ठीक है, 16,615 के नीचे हम ट्रेड करना चालू कर दिए. देन आई फील डायरेक्टली वी शुड गो इनटू दिस सपोर्ट जोन ऑफ 16,305 से लेके 410. ओके, तो मतलब 16,300 टू 16,400 के रेंज में वी विल फाइंड आवर सपोर्ट. पहला स्पीड ब्रेकर लगेगा 16,500 पे. ओके, this will act as a immediate support, छोटा support. Main support will be 16,300 to 400 की range. Okay, that is going to be the main support. अब ये 16,800 से लेके 16,400 के range में it will be volatile. It will be a very volatile market. ठीक है, so ये range में I'm expecting the monthly expiry. Now what are the other two scenarios? Okay, maximum chances ये होने का है. What are the other two scenarios? Scenario number 1 is if we break 16,300, then our immediate support will be 16,150 से लेके 16,200 is going to be our next support, followed by 16,000, followed by 15,900. These are going to be our supports on the lower side. Right now, what happens if we break the upper end? Okay, directly market starts rallying, which is highly unlikely, but if that happens, then what are our resistance levels? Okay, so what we've done is we've marked from the recent swing low to the top, we've marked a Fibonacci. So as you can see, 61.8% support is also coming here. 38.2 to 50% zone is also here. We've marked that as a support zone. Right now, what are the higher targets? First target will be 17,000. If we cross 16,800, first target will be 17,000. then I would consider 17,300 as the final target for this rally. Okay, so इसके chances बहुत कम है. If you get the market somewhere around 16,200, it is a good buy. 15,900 is definitely a very good buy, right? So this also, we have a trend line here. I've drawn this trend line. So ये दो points लिए है, ये point लिया है, ये point लिया है, ये point. We have 5 touch points for this trend line. So any moment of time, market comes here. Okay, so up 9 EMA will also be somewhere here. Trend line support also we'll get. 16,200 ka level ka support also we will get. So this will be a very good confluence to buy. Okay, it's not necessary market will travel all the way till here. Market can come till here also and reverse. So these are the two probable scenarios, right, guys? Last thing that I want to discuss with you guys is our premium group. Obviously, I have shared everything with you guys on the Telegram channel. This is our premium group performance. You can check it out. If you guys are interested, description box mein link hoga. You all can join the premium group. We'll be in touch. Baki, like, share, and subscribe. Kept the video very short. All the best for the coming week. Expiry week hai. ध्यान से trade करना. Over trading मत करना. Decider week होगा for the coming series. All right. Take care, guys.